कर्म करो, फल का चिंता मत करो।
अगर नहीं मिलेगा फल तो काम क्यों करें? नमस्कार, आई एम अनुतोष भक्तो, प्रोफेसर, लाइफ स्किल कोच एंड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट। चलिए हम और आप मिलकर देखते हैं लाइफ चेंजिंग चैनल कौन बनेगा काबिल। कर्म करो, फल का चिंता मत करो। ये लाइन तो हम सभी ने सुना है, लेकिन हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रियली बिलीव इन इट? Not many, isn't it? I also never used to believe when I heard first. Not only that, many years I did not believe. I used to think this is absolutely unrealistic, especially in today's age. If we do not get the result, then why should we work? काम हम लोग क्यों करते हैं? फल के लिए ना करते हैं। अगर फल ही नहीं मिलेगा तो काम क्यों करें हम लोग? Now with time and experience, I have understood the true meaning of this work, of this hard work. Now when I have understood this, I was astonished that how true and how practical it is. It was very practical, it was very realistic 1,000 years back, and it is realistic in today's age also. In this video, we are going to learn the true meaning of hard work and how we can achieve success. Do you know, the most common question in any job interview, that why should we hire you? And the most common answer is that, sir, I am very hardworking. But do you know, the hard work may not lead to the success. So we'll have to understand what is the actual meaning of hard work. Usually, many of us, we relate hard work with the physical work, जिसको हम लोग मेहनत कहते हैं. But we'll have to understand the actual meaning of hard work. Now, the hard work has got 3 layers. Number 1, physical. Number 2, verbal. And number 3 is your mental. Now, we will have to understand these 3 layers very, very carefully. And when these 3 layers fall into place properly, then only we can achieve a success. But generally we think hard work means the physical work. We relate hard work with the physical work. That is the reason we give priority to physical work. अगर ये लॉजिक से हम लोग जाए तो कूली, रिक्शा वाला भाई, सभी लोग बहुत अमीर होते, लेकिन ऐसे बात नहीं है. But hard work doesn't necessarily leads to success. Hard work has got no value unless and otherwise we understand the true meaning of hard work. Now, when we understand the true meaning of hard work, the hard work becomes the smart work. Now, what is the smart work? The smart work means that when your hard work starts giving the result, that means it is result oriented. जब ये रिजल्ट देने लगता है तभी हार्डवर्क का फल मिलता है. This world is only interested about the result. So whatever we do, we wish to get the result. Unless and otherwise we get the result, there is no meaning of any action or any work. Now let us understand that how we can achieve these results. I told you that hard work has got 3 layers. Number 1, physical. Number 2, verbal. And number 3, mental. Now the first, you'll have to understand the first layer, that is the mental layer. Mental layer का मतलब क्या है? Mental layer का मतलब है आपका सोच. When your thoughts are right, then only you will talk accordingly. The first is your thought. That means the thought is related to your goal. It is not the result, it is the goal. Understand that what we are going to achieve, what we want to achieve, that is important. So ये सोच ठीक होना चाहिए. When ये सोच is right, when this thought is right, then only you will start talking accordingly. You will talk to your colleagues, to your juniors, to your seniors accordingly, because your focus is your goal. Right? Then the second step is a verbal. So accordingly you will start talking. Now when you will start talking accordingly, you will prepare your actions accordingly. So these actions are actually your physical work. So only physical work, that means only passing the time, will not give you or will not help you to achieve success. Now शुरू में हम लोग बताया था जे कर्म करो फल का चिंता मत करो. Now let us understand this. फल का चिंता मत करो. फल means the result. So we all are expecting the result, but result is not in our hand. So if you concentrate before starting the work, if you only concentrate on the result, ये क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, फेल होंगे ना सक्सेस होंगे, प्रमोशन होगा क्या नहीं होगा, सैलरी बढ़ेगा क्या नहीं बढ़ेगा. So if you only focus on that, that means you are spending your major energy to this result, which is not in your hand. So that is the reason initially don't focus on your result. Result will follow automatically. So if these three layers fall into the place properly, automatically you will be getting the result. And that is why it is said, काम करो फल का चिंता मत करो. That means when you will do this karam, when you will do this work in a proper manner, in a proper direction, automatically you will be able to achieve the result. Instead of wasting our energy by thinking what will be the result, we should channelize this energy to our action, so that we give the 100% to the action and we are likely to get the best result. चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ ये हम लोग समझते हैं. मान लो एक कंपनी है, उन लोगों का से 10 कॉफी शॉप है. 10 कॉफी शॉप में 10 मैनेजर है, एंड दीज 10 मैनेजर्स दे रिपोर्ट टू अ सीनियर मैनेजर्स. नाउ द कंपनीज गोल इज टू अचीव द प्रॉफिट और द सेल्स and to achieve the customer satisfaction. Now the senior manager, अगर ये ऐसे देखो, the senior manager, now अगर उसका सोच, उसका thought ये है that I will have to achieve the sales, targeted sales and the guest satisfaction. So when he stick to this a thought, so accordingly he will instruct his 10 managers and accordingly prepare the action plan, and the managers will act on it. So he will likely to get the best result out of it. But ये सोच लो, अभी जो सोच है, जो हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, जो मेंटल लेयर, अगर सीनियर मैनेजर का जो मेंटल सोच है, ठीक है ना, ये सोच थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ये सोच रहा है जब मेरा जो 10 मैनेजर है, so I will have to keep them busy, okay, so that they work very hard for 9 hours. So that is his thought, that to keep them busy. And if this is a thought, he will make the action plan accordingly. He will give lots of work to these managers, who then these work might not relate to the ultimate goal, that is the customer satisfaction or to increase the sale. Because उसका सोच है कि इन लोगों को हमको काम पे बिजी रखना है, क्योंकि इन लोग काम ठीक से नहीं करते हैं. ये इसका सोच है. सो ये जो काम देगा, इस तरीके से वो जो बात करेगा एंड अकॉर्डिंगली एक्शन प्लान तैयार करेगा, उस मुताबिक इन लोग काम करेगा. बट वो काम, वो एक्शन विल नॉट हेल्प टू अचीव द गोल और अचीव द रिजल्ट. यू अंडरस्टैंड ना? सो दैट इज वाई आपका जो सोच है वो सोच सही होना चाहिए. अगर सोच सही होगा तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन भी सही होगा, अगर कम्युनिकेशन सही होगा तो एक्शन प्लान भी सही होगा, अगर एक्शन प्लान सही होगा तो यू विल बी एबल टू रीच द गोल, दैट मीन्स यू विल अचीव द रिजल्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। तो हम लोग अभी तक डिस्कस किया है रिजल्ट के ऊपर फोकस नहीं करना है, काम करो, फल का चिंता मत करो। क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो रिजल्ट है, ये रिजल्ट हम लोगों का हाथ में नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल। चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ ये समझते हैं। वन फ्लाइट 300 पैसेंजर्स दिल्ली टू लंदन। नाउ अचानक बीच में प्लेन एयर पॉकेट में घुसा। यू नो ना व्हाट इज एयर पॉकेट? एयर पॉकेट का मतलब है जो कुछ जगह ऐसा होता है जहां कोई एयर नहीं रहता है, एंड इफ बाय चांस the aircraft enters into this air pocket, there is a tremendous turbulence in the aircraft. हिलने लगता है। So all the passenger started to panic. With a God grace, the flight came out from this turbulence and landed at the nearest airport. There was a girl in the aircraft sitting next to an elderly person and reading her book very calmly and smiling. That elderly person was very surprised. He asked that when all passengers were in panic, I have noticed that you were very calm and reading your book, and you are smiling also. So you are never frightened. So that girl said, No uncle, how it is possible? सबने डरा और आप नहीं डरी? That girl said, No. Then he said, How it is possible? The girl again said, You know, uncle, the pilot of this plane is my father, and I know that he will save me. Then why should I get scared? I know that he will definitely save me. Similarly, we all have Father who is sitting on top, our Almighty, and which is not in our hand. We have no option but to leave this on our Father, that is our Almighty. So result is not in our hand. So don't focus on the result. Focus on your karma. Focus on your work. Then only you will be getting the tremendous result or a tremendous success जो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो।
लेट मी हैव ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर। कहीं जाइएगा मत, मैंने यूं गया और यूं आया।
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ श्वेता और आप देख रहे थे लाइफ चेंजिंग चैनल कौन बनेगा काबिल। ये एपिसोड पसंद आए तो, अगर पसंद आए तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि आगे काबिल बनने के लिए और भी एपिसोड हम लोग लेके आने वाले हैं। और घंटी बजाना नहीं भूलिएगा, क्योंकि आप अगर घंटी नहीं बजाएंगे तो आपके फ़ोन का घंटी कैसे बजेगा। और जैसे सभी को पता है कि खुशियाँ बांटने से बढ़ती है, तो इसको शेयर कीजिए, व्हाट्सएप में शेयर कीजिए, फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम में शेयर कीजिए, और सब्सक्राइब कर लिया तो अब लाइक भी कर दीजिए। धन्यवाद।
In this video, we have learned 3 points. Number 1, the physical work will not lead to the success. Number 2, the hard work has got 3 layers. Number 1, mental. Number 2, verbal. And number 3, the physical. And we'll have to start from the mental. That is, सोच ठीक करना है। अगर सोच ठीक हुआ तो एक्शन ठीक होगा, एक्शन ठीक होगा तो काम भी ठीक होगा, and we'll be getting the result. And number 3, don't waste your energy by thinking about the result. Instead, put 100% energy into your action and you will be getting the tremendous result. याद रखिएगा, काम पे फोकस तो आपका विकास, फल पे फोकस तो आपका सत्यानाश। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा, हम इंतज़ार में रहेंगे। अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलते हैं एक नया वीडियो के साथ। तब तक खुश रहिए, खुशियाँ बांटते रहिए।